Welcome back, dear students. So in the last session we solved example number 3 of exercise 1.1, question number 2. Now we are going to solve example number 4. So we are looking to solve simultaneous equations, linear equation in two variables. So here are the equations: 5m minus 3n equal to 19, m minus 6n equal to minus 7. So this will be our first equation. So I am writing it down as 5m minus 3n equal to 19. This will be our equation 1. And below that I am writing m minus 6n equal to minus 7. This will be our equation number 2. So what we have to do here, look here carefully. So we can cancel out either n or n. So whatever is easy for you, so you have to solve that. So look at the coefficient of m. It is 5. Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. So what we will do, just cross multiply. We will multiply this by 1 and this by 5. Got it? So multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 5. So after multiplication, what do we get? 1 5s are 5. So this equation will remain as it is, 5m minus 3n equal to 19. This will become your equation 3. And multiply this by 5. 5 1s are 5. So this will be 5m minus 5 6 are 30. N is equal to 5 7s are 35. So this will be minus 35. This will be your equation 4. Now you can cancel out this. So do subtraction. So I will do your minus. This will be minus. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Minus will become plus. All the signs will change in the bottom. Okay. So 5 minus 5 will get cancelled out. 30 plus 30 minus 3 is 27. So you get plus 27 because 30 is greater number. It carries sign positive sign. So this 27 will carry positive sign. And we will write as it is. Then 35 plus 19. What is 35 plus 19? 9 plus 5 is what? 14, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So this will become 3 plus 4, 1, 5, 54. And if you look carefully, this will go here, 27 and equal to 54. This 27 is in multiplication, so this will go in denominator, okay? And equal to 54 divided by 27. 27 ones are, 27 twos are. So we got the value of n. So first solution is n equal to 2. Now we'll put the value of n equal to 2 in either of this equation. Whichever you find easy to solve, you have to put it in that equation. It is not necessary that you put in the harder equation. So it becomes very difficult for you to find out the value of the other variable. So one variable we have got n equal to 2. We will put this in this one, second one. So it will be very easy for us to do calculations. So put n equal to 2 in equation 2. So m minus 6n equal to minus 7. So we'll put this n equal to 2 here. So m minus 6, value of n is what? After doing calculation we got 2 is equal to minus 7. Just put the value of n, numerical value of n. So m minus 6 twos are is 12 equal to minus 7. This 12 will go on that side, right side. So it will become plus m equal to minus 7 plus 12. M equal to what? 12 minus 7 is what? 5. And 12, which is greater number, 7 or 12? 12. So it will carry sign of 12, that is plus. So we got the solution. Therefore, solution for the above equation is, first you will write the value of m and then you will write the value of n. So value of m is y plus 5 and value of n is 2. So this is our solution for example number 4. Thank you.